Good morning, everyone. If everybody can take your seats, we're here really to witness what is a first-time event for the state of Maryland and also for France. Because what we did in 2011 was to enter into a memorandum of understanding with Medicin Paris, another biocluster in France. And as part of that memorandum of understanding, we agreed to try to get our companies to connect with each other. And in the process, we had a series of meetings over a number of years where companies were getting to know each other. And what has resulted was really an idea to create an incentive for how companies can work together. And so we created a prize. And our intent was to make it a competitive process, that Maryland companies and French companies would apply. But the trick is that they had to propose a project of working jointly together. One of the reasons we like this model is because it creates a leverage of funding. And today, I'm not going to share with you who the winners are. That'll be part of the presenter's job to do. But I also want to acknowledge that from our team here at BioMaryland, Elise Lyons is really representing our Paris office and was the origin of the original relationship between Paris Medicine and the BioMaryland Center. So Secretary Dr. Murray is going to lead off this event, and both he and Jean-Roch Meunier, the president of Paris Medicine, will have remarks to make before you learn who the winners of this prize are.
My name is Dominic Murray, and I serve as your secretary for those in Maryland. I serve as your secretary for the Department of Business and Economic Development, under which BioMaryland participates as the big partner in this industry. With us here this morning, you've already seen Judy Britz. You've heard Judy Britz. He's the executive director of BioMaryland Center. We also have Jean-Roch Meunier, Delegue General of Medicin Paris Region, Isabelle Lebo of the French Public Investment Bank, Bpifrance, Jocelyn Lasaic, a technical consultant to the life science company Diafir, Rennes, France. Did I do that all right? I was telling them earlier, I feel so embarrassed because I'm only English speaking, and so I'm going to do my best to be okay with the rest. And Dr. Joseph Neve, who's our West Coast representative for Opticul Diagnostics based in Rockville, Maryland. The BioMaryland Center is home to the fourth largest biopharma concentration in the United States. Today, they are proud to join with Medicen Paris Region, one of Europe's largest concentrations of life science and healthcare innovation, to announce a co-funded international project. And this project will support commercialization and collaboration in our two regions. Opticul Diagnostics out of Rockville, Maryland, and Diafir of Rennes, France have been selected as the first two participants of a partnership that was initiated at Bio Conference of 2012. That was in Boston, or Baston, as some people might say. So in that conference, they got together, and the purpose of this is to promote the collaboration between biotech companies from the state of Maryland and France on products that will improve and speed diagnoses and improve patient care. Opticul is involved in bacterial detection without the use of reagents to produce chemical reactions. Diafir produces a complementary product that eliminates the need for culture of the organism prior to detection. This is the first jointly funded international project undertaken by the BioMaryland Center, which again is part of DBED. The matching government grants support the initiative. The funds, I should say. The Maryland company applies to the BioMaryland Center for up to $200,000 in matching funds, and the French partner applies to the French Public Investment Bank, Bpifrance, for up to 3 million euros in matching funds. So we've made many prosperous international relationships in recent years. Elise, thank you for your work in Europe, for helping DBED make its mission known. We also have Peter Sexton from our international team who came out here for the Bio Conference. Again, DBED, as the host department for all of our life sciences industries, our cyber industries, our advanced technologies industries, DBED is the organization that supports all of these efforts through multiple systemic partners in our own organization. So we have our international team, we have our bio team here, everybody's here to celebrate this. We believe that all of this is a reflection of our world-class nature of all of our Maryland innovators in all of our scientific fields, including life sciences. So we're thrilled today to make this announcement, and I hope it's the beginning of many, many more successful partnerships. Jean-Roch, would you like to come up and say a few words? You would. Thank you. That's a good thing.
Good morning. Can you hear me? So I'm Jean-Roch Meunier. I'm the CEO for Medicin Paris Region, and as you can hear, I'm the French guy. So I'm more than pleased and proud to be here to celebrate today with you and our friends from BioMaryland our very first success in a co-funding program, and to celebrate Opticul Diagnostics and Diafir as the laureate of that very first funding prize. Just to say a few words, Diafir and Opticul Diagnostics presented to us a very, very nice project that by combining their technology, they are going to rise to a new medical device for point-of-care diagnosis that will really help the patients and even will help also to reduce the cost in the hospital. So that's a real great project, and we are very proud to be able to fund it. I'm here also to represent Bpifrance and Nathalie Tranois, and I really want to thank Bpifrance and Nathalie because she did a real great work, and without her, we just won't be there to celebrate Diafir and Optical Diagnostics. So Bpifrance is the French public investment bank. That's a very powerful instrument of the French state to invest in SMEs for collaborative R&D project, for export, for the growth of the SMEs, and they are supporting that funding of this project. So thanks really to Nathalie and Bpifrance. So to finish, I will re-say that really I'm very glad, and we at Medicen are very glad to celebrate this very first success of our partnership between BioMaryland and Medicin Paris Region. Medicen Paris Region is one of the 7 bioclusters devoted to health, medtech, pharma and biotech in France. We are in Paris gathering more than 40% of the academic research in life sciences, and almost 40% as well of the biotech network and tissues. So we have the largest hospital in Europe with the APHP network of hospital in Paris, and we have within Medicen almost 200 SMEs that are working with us, plus the big pharmas such as Sanofi, GE Healthcare and so on. So it's, as BioMaryland, a very powerful and a very rich ecosystem for innovation in the field of healthcare. And once again, we are really committed to the next step as well, and we are discussing with Elise, and thank you very much, Elise, for what you have done in Paris for us and to animate and to make it alive. So thank you so much. And we are going to have next steps for sure, and next successes, and maybe next bio will also celebrate the next step in our collaboration. So I just want to finish by inviting you, all of you, to come to Paris next March for the Bio Spring, which is going to be held in Paris. So please come. We'll be more than happy to welcome you in Paris for this Bio Spring event next March.
So Jean-Roch, if you would please present this first award to Diafir. Congratulations, Diafir.
Yeah.
Joe, congratulations, man.
Congratulations.
Look at all these
Optical.
cameras. Look at this bank of cameras out here. We're looking at the video camera. And how about we look now at the cameras over here?
Very good. Thank you.
Is that a wrap?
All right. Thank you.
That's a wrap. Thank you. Thank you very much. Lovely to meet you. Thank you so much.